Stop wasting your time on trying to figure out if AI is worth adopting in your business. I've done the research for you, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you the top 5 reasons why smart business owners are adopting AI to get ahead, no matter what business you are and no matter the size. The last reason is actually a case study done by Harvard Business School, and that's gonna surprise you. I'm Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, and we help local service-based business owners grow by installing custom AI solutions. And I make these videos because I want to help business owners see the value of AI and not get left behind. All right, let's get into it. The first reason is you can actually save 10+ by using AI for productivity effectively every day in your business. You can use it for things like research, helping you with reading and writing tasks, planning, any kind of administrative task, and then so much more depending on what you do on a daily basis. Now, I think one of the things that holds us back in this area is that we either don't know what we can use AI for, or we just forget about it. And my encouragement to you is use AI for everything. If you're doing work on your computer or laptop, then you can use AI for it. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can take it to the next level and use AI agents or AI workflow within your process. And that's what we do here at WorkSmart AI. For example, we just helped a commercial cleaning company in our area and built an AI workflow to help with their hiring process. Because they're growing fast and they're hiring a lot of cleaners, their process was an 11-step process that took a long time. We built an AI workflow for them where it took it from 11 steps down to 2 steps. And before, it would take them hours just to hire one cleaner, versus now it takes them minutes for that entire process without having them doing much administrative work on the back end to be able to hire a cleaner. By the way, I also made a video called How to Leverage AI in Your Business 2026 Beginner's Guide. That's gonna walk you through how to use AI for productivity in a simple ways. The link is in the description if you want to check that out. All right, let's move on to reason number 2. AI will make your marketing more effective and will also 10x your volume without hiring more people or actually working longer hours. You can use it to write ads for you, create email marketing campaign, enhancing your offer. You can use it for social media to the point where it can actually make videos on your behalf of you without having you get on camera at all. Your landing page copy, your blog post, your LinkedIn articles, and your SEO. It can do so much for your marketing. Think of if you're doing something with digital marketing. AI should be able to help you with that to make it more effective and to be able to massively increase your volume to the point of 10x your volume without hiring more people or working any longer. Real quick, this is a new channel and we're on a mission to help business owners adopt AI so they don't get left behind. If you found this content helpful, would you please subscribe so that way we can grow and reach more business owners? Thank you. All right, number 3, increase your lead conversion by responding to your leads immediately. The concept is called speed to lead. It's all about how fast you can respond to your lead. A very interesting stat I want to share with you is there's a study that was done, and what they found is if you respond to your lead within 1 minute, you can actually increase your lead conversion by an average of 400%. How crazy is that? Why is this so important? Well, let's walk through a typical example of how usually this plays out. Let me know if you can relate to that. Let's say a lead calls our business, but we're not able to answer right away because we're busy doing something. And our staff is also busy doing something. We cannot take the call right away. Then we call the lead back sometimes later, minutes or even hours, or in some instances, maybe even a day later, and no answer. You leave a voicemail, and then you try again a few more times after that, but every single time, no answer, and you leave another voicemail. And then you just never hear from them again. What happened here? What happened was when we didn't answer the phone in the first place, they actually called the next business, and they was able to get the appointment that they needed to take this thing off of their mind. Now they no longer need to talk to us because they already got the appointment. So we missed out on the opportunity. Does that sound familiar to you? And that's why using AI here to answer leads immediately, it's so important and helps us with our lead conversion. All right, let's move on to number 4, which is using AI for free coaching to be able to take your business to the next level. I call it AI for advisory. AI is very smart and it's been trained on all the books, all the information, all the data of basically everything on the internet. And in that are subject matter expert information. And so you can leverage what AI knows and use it to get advice and free coaching. from it. I also cover this part in my video called How to Leverage AI in Your Business 2026 Beginner's Guide. So check that out if you're interested. The link is going to be in the description. And lastly, number 5, you're going to be able to compete with bigger businesses without hiring more people or needing major capital investment. There was a very interesting article that I found on LinkedIn that I want to share with you that was done by Wharton and Harvard to show this point. They did a study on a very big company called Procter & Gamble, otherwise known as P&G, to figure out if people using AI was actually more productive than people not using AI. And in this case, it was in the context of an HR department. P&G study shows that AI-powered individual matches traditional teams' output. Another quote in this article says that individuals using AI perform at levels statistically equivalent to those of 2-person teams without AI. And the point of this article was actually showing one person using AI was the equivalent of 2 people that are not using AI. And that's from a big corporation perspective, just focusing on just HR department. Now, honestly, from a small business owner perspective, I think the ratio is so much higher than 1 to 2. But let's just say it's 1 person with AI equals 2 without AI. Imagine this. What if you could double the size of your team and double the size of your productivity, all without hiring more people or managing more people? What would that do to your business? Can you imagine the margin you would have? And can you imagine how much more you can pay in marketing and ads to be able to acquire more clients versus your competitor? All because you're choosing to adopt AI and use it effectively. If you found this helpful, share this with your business owner friends so they don't have to waste time to try to figure this out on their own. Now, if you want to start using AI in your business, check out this video here that I made called How to Leverage AI in Your Business 2026 Beginner's Guide. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.